In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to disable pop-up blocker on your iPad. So if you want to do that, you have to guys first of all open your settings. Now you have to go to in apps, or you see the Safari application? No, tap on the apps and just go to Safari application. And from here guys, you can here's the block pop-ups. So you can disable this option by tapping on this. So yeah, this is how guys you can disable the pop-up blocker on your browser. Fine. So yeah, need this. Apply for more guys. Till then, bye bye.